What's going on, YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do, and this is an exciting video. This company reached out to me, and I said yes. So this is going to be a camera, I believe. Yes, because this is the solar panel. This is a micro SD card, and I'm assuming this is the product itself. So this is a battery-powered camera that is outdoors. Like, for example, you park in a parking garage, and it's separated from your building. You could find a place to put this and see what's going on when you're away. Or if your garage is detached from your building or something, like at your house. All right, so yeah, here's the box. Limited warranty, terms, Reolink track mix LTE. The seal is not broken until this video. Now the seal is broken. Look, it even includes a SIM card, and it has 100 megabytes free. That's pretty cool. It says it's 4 Reolink cameras. And there you go. And then in here, we've got probably just user manual. Oh, cool. Got a little sticker to say, hey, this video is under video surveillance. Got a user guide. Oh boy. That's a big old camera. And we've got some stuff in here. So a little goodies box and another little goodies box. Oh, no, it's not a box. It's like mounting stuff for it. And a strap so you can strap it onto like a tree or something. That's super cool. I wish it was black, not white, but that's cool. And then in this little goodies box here, we've got some mounting screws to mount it. And then we have some more hardware screws there to do stuff. And then we have a USB-A to USB-C cable. All right, taking a look at the camera, it weighs quite a bit. It's a heavy unit. And then we have antennas. And then we have a little thing here for some screwing action. So, all right, in here we have the SIM card, and then we have on, off, and then RST. So on this side, there's nothing. On the top, we have the QR code. All right, so then here we just have the words. We've got the camera with the protective cover over it, the lenses and stuff. Nothing on this side except for the antenna. And then on the top, we've got the like UPC and the serial number and the QR code for scanning it and activating it. All right, so we have a SIM card. The whole point of this thing is being an LTE camera, so why not? I could probably go to my carrier and get a data-only SIM card and have unlimited. And then right here we have the USB-C port. Okay, cool. So I will go ahead and plug it up. It's got a little light right there that's glowing, letting us know that it's charging. And I can see on my wall outlet over there that we are charging at 11 watts. And then I can go ahead and secure this so it's waterproof. Oh, okay, so that's where the SD card goes. Oh, you've also got a speaker back here. So my review unit did come with the 64 gig SD card. Obviously, the bigger card you have, the more storage it can accept. So it can store more videos and more pictures. Since it came with it, I might as well use it. And one thing I did not consider is under here was the on and off switch. So I'll flip that to on. And while that's doing its thing, let's check out the solar panel. Again, this was a review unit, and this solar panel was provided to me as well. I did not pay for any of these things. But what the solar panel is going to do is ensure that it's a standalone unit. You don't have to pull it down and charge it every so often. It's just going to keep it going forever. Oh, this thing is turning around and tracking and doing things. All right, so here's the solar panel, Reolink Solar Panel 2. It is sealed. All right, we've got some user instruction manuals and stuff in there. And then we've got the solar panel with a nice long cable. Then we have an adapter of sorts. Oh, that's to go to micro USB. Okay. And then we have a little tripod thingy for the solar panel to secure to, and a strap for the solar panel. So you can strap this thing down. Interesting. Says peel off sticker and place it to the back of the bracket. Oh, that's to, okay. That's so you can line it, mount it, know where you're, okay. And then we have some mounting screws in the solar panel as well. So put that on there. Pretty cool. Obviously secure that to a tree or something. And then you've got solar and you've got USB-C. All right, so you can secure so you can put this on here like that. And then you can use the strap to have it go through here and secure it to a tree. All right, so I'm gonna scan the QR code on the back of the, or bottom of the camera. All right, so it says activate a Reolink SIM card. All right, so after creating an account and scanning the QR code and everything, we're gonna go ahead and select the free one just to try it out. And now we're connecting to the camera. All right, so my camera just said that the network connection succeeded and now the light on it is coming on. So we're gonna try to reconnect here. Oh, that's getting further than before. All right, so yeah, it's working.